Welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. As you know, the holiday season with Halloween, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday will come and there are many store owners that are busy preparing. If you are still preparing promotion campaigns for your store and don't want to publish it yet, this video will let you know how to create a coming soon page for the holiday season. Remember that before creating a password page with PageFly, you have to activate the password in the Shopify admin. Go to the online store. Click Preferences. Scroll down to Password Protection. And click in the Enable Password button. Now, go to the PageFly dashboard to create a password page. Click the password page in the page list and choose the Create a Password Page button. I will name this page as Password Page. Here we are in the page editor. In the element catalog, click on the Add Elements icon. I will choose a 2-column layout and drag and drop it into the page editor. We will edit each column one by one. In the first column, we need to add a countdown timer inside to show how many days left the sale starts. I will add a block first. And then click on the Add Element icon, drag and drop the countdown timer element inside the block. You need to configure settings for the countdown timer in the General tab. We have a video that shows you how to use countdown timer element. I will put it in the description of this video. I will add a heading to strongly encourage customers. Click on the Add Elements icon, and drag and drop the heading element above the block of the countdown timer. Change the content of the heading text box to Sale will start in. Now, switching to the Styling tab, change the content color to the orange, and font family to the Source Code Pro. And set the center option for the text alignment. Now I will add an image under the block of the countdown timer. And I will choose an image related to the Halloween holiday. Now move to the second column to edit. I will add a heading first. Change the content in the heading text box to Coming Soon. Below this heading, I will add another heading. In this heading, I will change the content in the heading text box to Join with us in the Halloween. I will add a paragraph element below. You can edit the content in the paragraph box in the General tab. Finally, I will drag and drop the customer form element, so customers can submit their emails. Click on the Add Shopify elements and drag and drop the customer form, which is the email field. Click the Customer Form button element to edit it. In the General tab, edit the button text to Notify Me. In the Styling tab, change the background color for the button to the orange color. Click the Email field and set the solid border, and adjust 1px of the border width for the email box. Choose orange color for the border. Now I click on the section in the breadcrumb, and switch to the Styling tab, to choose a background image for the section. I will change content color for all text to white color. Now hit the Publish button. And Live View. To see your page in real time. Customers can submit their email to receive notification of your sale campaign.
This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach us via 24/7 in app live chat, or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.